here inside the GUIAO Convention Center for the continuing coverage of your Delta Cup 2024. As you can see, ito nga po ang kapunan ng Santa Rita, Kaluguran, ay magsusubok na makabuslog ng kanilang panalo dito sa laro na ito. Kontra naman dito sa Villa de Bacolor, as these two teams will look to get victories here, much needed victories, as we have 4 games for you dito po sa inyong Delta Cup 2024. First game natin Kaluguran sa Santa kontra Villa de Bacolor. Second game natin Bayung Masantol kontra Sasmuan. Third game, Apalit Alavel kontra Level Up Lubao. At our main game natin mamaya, Macabebe Warriors kontra United Tomasyan Ballers. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Luzon, Visayas, and now and all over the world. As we are live to our Facebook page ng Pampanga PIO. At mapapanood nyo po itong laro natin through our YouTube channel. Dito po sa Pampanga _PIO. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Alvin Anyada. Bringing you the ball game for today. As ito nga po we're also live din sa Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel.
Good morning, Kamalin fans. Live from the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. We have 4 games today for the elimination round of the 2023-24 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball Tournament, powered by Sinag Liga Asia. We're live on Facebook, facebook.com/Pampanga Public Information Office, and also YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. First game of our quadruple header featuring Kaluguran Santa Rita versus Villa de Bacolor. Let's meet the starters first for Kaluguran Santa Rita. Forward number 12, Luis Gilas. The other forward, number 21, Jamon Buwan. Center, number 29, James Buwan. At guard, number 8, Ivan Bernarte. The other guard, number 13, Francis Galura. Head coach for Kaluguran Santa Rita, Emon Laksamana. Assisted by Louis Vincent Nueva, Peter Enriquez. Team manager, Reynan Calo. And now let's meet the starters for Villa de Bacolor. At forward number 2, Jomari Santos. The other forward number 61, Clarence Manlutak. Center number 20, Macbeth Manise. At guard number 10, Chong Moran. And the other guard, number 19, JP Pangilinan. Head coach for Villa de Bacolor, Rexen Kunan. Assisted by Earl John Capili, Jesus Pangilinan, Peter Matabuena, and June Danu. Your referee in charge of this first game are Dennis Escanos, Berts Esugan, and Willie Hibe. It's Santa Rita versus Bacolor for the Delta Cup.
As you take a look at the starters, it's and the other Buwan, James and Jamon starting off together with Gilas para sa Santa Rita. Villa de Bacolor will start with Moral, Pangilinan, Manase, Manulutak, and Santos. As we are now going to start our first game of your Pampanga Inter-Municipalities Basketball Tournament. We call that Delta Cup 2024 as we start with the first possession para dito sa Santa Rita. Ako po nga yung likod, Alvin Tanyaro, working this game as we start with a tap from the palabas. So ngayon, ang Santa Rita, they go inside. Natapik yung bola, inside shot, no good. And rebound, scramble. Ang gawang buko dito na pulot nitong kupunan ng Bacolor. Santos. Gives it up to Pangilinan. Pangilinan looking for a teammate. Finds one in Santos and there will be a foul. As as the foul will be called on James Buwan. It's a first personal foul. That's a first team foul there para dito sa Santa Rita. So 30 segundos. Wala naman tayo dito nawawala. Meron na kagad isang team foul dito at magandang agaw dito. Fast break for Bernante and there will be a foul there. That's a clear foul on number 10. It's Chog Moral. That will mean 2. So take a look at that last play. Yun yun. Nakakita kagad yung foul. Sumundot pa. Itong si Chog Moral. Kaya titira ng dalawa. First one is good. And the second one is also good para kay Ivan Bernarte. 2-0 to start off here. And there's a quick foul there. Another foul. And that's James Buwan's second personal. Na dalawa na agad dito, kaya papalitan agad si James Buwan dito. He will be replaced here by Justin Escobar. Agad ng tao. Isang minuto. Nakakalipas na dito sa ating first quarter. Manalutak. Ibas. Agaw na naman ng Santa Rita. And Bernarte. Oh, no good. And the drive there to no avail. Isa pa. Sumubok na naman. Wala pa rin. And Moral gets the ball. Third time's a charm. Still no good. Galura gets the ball. Galura for 3. In and out. Rebound by Bacolor. And that is a traveling violation. It's a traveling violation called on Santos on that spin. Buwan to the high post. Gilas jumper. Wala. Rebounded. That will be out of bounds already. Tumapak na sa labas. Itong si Escobar. So take a look at the head coach of Santa Rita. That's Coach Aaron Laksamana. Pangilinan. The pass here. Moral extra pass. Manese, no. Second time is still no good. As the foul will... Justin Escobar. Matatawagan ng foul doon. Una na yan ni Justin Escobar. Pupo sa free throw line. Si Macbeth Manase. Macbeth Manase. First one is no good. Second one, para kay Manase. Still no good. That's 0-2 on that trip. Itong Santa Rita, fast break. Buwan, no good. Second time, wala pa rin. So 2-0 pa rin tayo dito. Manalatak is good there. And that's Manlutak. Clarence Manlutak with the drive. So it's 2-all. Slow start for both squads, and just when I was saying that, Justin Escobar scored. Score another 4-2, and that's an 8-second backcourt violation call. 14-second shot clock. So let's take a look at that last play by Justin Escobar. Easy sa loob on that basket. Turnover muli para dito sa koponan ng Santa Rita. Now inbounding. Itong Bacolor. Moral. Moral behind the back, Manase. And there will be a foul once again. Second time na nahanap ni Moral itong si Manase. There will be a foul there. And that's Escobar's second personal foul. So, dalawa kay Escobar, dalawa kay James Buwan. Yung dalawang nagpalitan meron ng tig-dalawang fouls. Manase makes the first. Second free throw para kay Manase. Is good. For all the score. Again, a low-scoring start here for both squads. As that is a traveling violation called. Minutes and 24 remaining here. Ito nga parehas sa koponan. Both teams have 3 losses. Ang pinagkaiba lang, Bacolor has 1 win, habang itong Santa Rita has 2 wins. So 2 and 3 contra 1 and 3. Fast break. Here we go. There will be another foul. And I believe it's on Escobar. Let's double check. Pangatlo na yan ni Justin Escobar. Kaya palitan na naman ng tao dito. Si Coach Aaron Laksamana, pasok sa loob. Itong si Howard Ventura. And also, papasok na rin sa laro. First time, ito si Ivan Guanlao. As Moral misses the first. Second free throw. As both teams of on this game are in bracket A. So kasama pa rin nila the undefeated Angeles City Red Warriors at 4-0. So and that is the only team remaining undefeated. As you take a look at Coach Aaron Laksamana on your screens. Free throw line violation, so a substitute ang binigay dito kay Morales. Still no good, and that's now a lane violation now. Six minutes ang natitira dito sa ating first period. Ventura, step back. But there will be an offensive foul. That's a first personal foul on Howard Ventura. So the fouls picking up para dito sa Santa Rita. Moral, another find para dito kay Manase. But to no avail. Itong si Manase, always the recipient of the nice passes mula dito kay Moral. Ito, papalitan mo na si Moral. Papasok sa loob. Number 15 player, that's Charles Astria. Galura, the pass inside. Labas muna. The shot no good on the 3. But there is a foul there. Let's double check. Charles Astria will be called for his first second team foul there. Nasa puna ng Bacolor.
14-second shot clock.
14-second shot clock.
Well, second shot clock.
12 seconds left on the shot clock dito. Mga ngalahati pa lang tayo. Ventura, the pass here to Gunlao. The 3 on the way. That is no good. Double team there. Open na naman dito ang Santa Rita, and that's a 3 ball. And that's a Francis Galura with a 3 ball. That's a steal. Gilas, huli, but there's a foul. Is it on JP Pangilinan? Let's double check. First personal foul. As we take a look at this drive mula kay Gilas, and yun eh, yung katawan eh, pagbaba, doon nakita yung foul ni Pangilinan. Gilas makes the first to go. Second one for Gilas. It's good, 2 for 2. There. And Gilas. Eh, nagpapakitang Gilas na agad dito. Luis Gilas. That's a foul once again. And penalty na nga itong Santa Rita. Let's see, is that on Jano de Dios? That's right, Jano de Dios with a foul. First personal foul on Jano de Dios. That will mean 2 free throws here para kay Gabriel Lapira. First one is no good para kay Gabriel Lapira. Second one on its way for Gabriel Lapira. That's good. 1 out of 2 on the trip. It's 9-5 the score here. 4 minutes and 44 remaining here. The shot by Gilas, no good. Rebound by Pangilinan. Manlutak. Labas muna. Finds an open teammate. The drive, extra pass ni Austria. Manase na naman. Scoring inside. The shot is no good. The pass, almost a steal there. Manlutak rather. Manese, one more time. Getting the easy 2 points. Etong si Macbeth Manese. Sa kanya yung mga easy 2 points sa loob. Guanlao, no good. Rebound by Austria. Austria setting things up for the guys in green. Manlutak. The 3 is good. That's money. So that's quick 5 points. Rather 7 points. Quick 7 points na para dito sa kupunan ng Bacolor. Galura. The pass. The 3 ball. Ang bawi. Masyadong malakas. The rebound here by the guys in green. Bacolor running. Austria. The pass here. Manlutak. Extra pass and Manese once again. Macbeth Manese. Double check na. 12 puntos na ba si Macbeth Manese? We will try to double check that when we come back. Let's take a look at that replay once again. That nice passing leading to that inside deuce mula dito kay Macbeth Manese. Score natin 14-9. As we are taking a look at the bench of the Santa Rita Caluguran. And also now, ito namang kabilang kupunan na itong Villa de Bacolor, as they have a 5-point lead here as this guy has been playing terrific. Macbeth Manese, number 20. Yan yung isa sa aabangan natin dito. Continuing his fine play here. The pass here. De Dios. Pass out. That will be no good. Still, wala pa rin nakukuha dito. 9 straight points. 9-0 run para dito sa kubunan ng Villa de Bacolor. The drive, Austria, the corner, Manlutak. And that's a 3-second violation. And around 2 minutes left here in the first period of your quadruple header of your Delta Cup 2024. De Jos mula sa 3, wala. Spin ni Pineda, may foul. Tumangga. Is it on Manlutak? Yes, it's on. That's Clarence Manlutak with the foul. First personal foul, 14th foul for Villa de Bacolor. CJ Pineda will be shooting 2 shots, trying to end this drought for them. And he does with his first to go. Second one for CJ Pineda. That's in and out and rebounded by Villa de Bacolor. Austria. The pass. Manese will try slap from the outside. No good. Rebound na pulot. De Jos. The pass to the corner. Pasa to the left side. Inside. And good passing here. Hindi lang ma-convert nitong Santa Rita as that shot by CJ Pineda. Kulang yung pectus dun. Let's see if he can make it from the free throw line. First one for Pineda. It's good. So he's 3 of 3 on the line the last 2 possessions. Second one is good, so porsyento sa free throw line. Ito si CJ Pineda. It's 14-12 the score. Ito bagong pasok para sa Bacolor. Carlos Soto. That pass to De La Cruz, almost lost. Soto, the jumper, no good. Rebound recovered by the guys in white. Pero agawang buko pa rin dito. And let's see, is it a jump ball? Yes, it's a jump ball. Arrow points to Bacolor. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Under a minute left here in the first. Manese. The pass here, Austria. They have to throw it up. De La Cruz overpassing by Villa de Bacolor. That's a shot clock violation. Again, a low-scoring first quarter for both squads. The pass, almost by Soto. Nakabawi doon si Soto on the defense after that lapse. Austria, bigay kay Soto. Balik kay Austria, the 3 on its way. That's too strong, rebounded here by De Jos. De Jos on the fast break, De Jos huli ni Austria. The drive by De Jos, extra pass. The shot by Gumlao, no good. De La Cruz to the left side, Manese for 3. That's money para dito kay Magnes Manese. Siya pang loob, pati tira sa labas, kaya rin niya. And that will end quarter of play as ito nga po kumuna ng Villa de Bacolor suddenly woke to close out the quarter. As we take a look at our first quarter highlights, good passing to start para dito sa Kaluguran, Santa Rita, sa Manlutak. Scoring there para sa Bacolor. But yung outside shooting talaga yung gumagana para dito sa Kaluguran, Santa Rita. But this guy has played terrific in the first quarter for Villa de Bacolor. The score, it's 7-12. We'll be right back for the second quarter of action here in your Delta Cup 2024. And para naman po sa lahat ng ating mga fans sa Sinag Liga Asia, abangan po ninyo ang Game 2 ng inyong Sinag Liga Lakas Cornels mula po dyan sa Malolo Sports and Convention Center sa Sunday, January 28. First game natin, Taytay J kontra Tito Rex Fire War. And second game natin, Santa Rosa kontra Malolos. Napakaganda ng mga laro natin dyan as we start the second quarter of action. As ito nga, just to give you some updates dito, Macves Manese 11 puntos na in the first quarter. So he is already the leading scorer dito para naman dito sa kabila for Santa Rita. Kalat yung scoring nila, 3 points apiece para dito may CJ Pineda and Francis Galura as Austria scores the 2 points there. (19-12). Corner 3 on its way. That's money. Dito para kay Jerome Makapinlak. Good passing here. Strong passes here. Given up. So take a look at that 3-pointer from the corner. That is para dyan kay Jerome Makapinlak. Cutting the lead down to 4. Babawi. Macves Manese, no good. He gets his own rebound. Soto fakes it. Soto inside. The shot is good. Para dito kay Carlos Soto. 21-15 the score. De Jos orchestrating the pass to the corner. They go back to the left side. The drive. The hard drive is good. Para kay Howard Ventura. Oh, that's a backcourt violation. Substitutions here. It's the big man for Bacolor. Angelo Olieres papasok ngayon. So a bigger match inside para sa Bacolor. 8 minutos, 28 segundos pa natitira. 3 para sa dito kay Makapinlak, no good. And CJ Pineda gets the basket there. And right now, a timeout is called by Kaluguran Santa Rita. Let's take a look at that 3-ball na nakuha pa rin dito ng mga nakaputi. Timeout on the floor. CJ Pineda and the rest of Kaluguran Santa Rita trying to get back here in the ball. And you can watch all our games through our YouTube channel dito po sa Sinag Liga TV. The score right now, it's 21-19. 8 minutes and 15 remaining here. The drive. Jump ball tayo dito ulit. As the possession arrow points once again to Villa de Bacolor. Substitution here. Palitan na naman tao. At ito, binalik na dito si Escobar. Let's see if he can keep himself out of foul trouble. Spin move, no. 7 seconds, hindi tumamasa rin yun. Soto, the drive, still no good. That is recovered by Santa Rita. The pass, Ventura for 3. That's money. At lamang na dito. That's only a long 2 ball para kay Ventura. So that's a correction there. De La Cruz, and there will be a foul. check a look at that play. Ayun, kita stepping nga. And CJ Pineda will be called for that foul there. Kita nga naman stepping ito si Howard Ventura. Lapira moves in. Lapira, the drive no good. Rebound, napulot. And look at the big man, he was clever there. As Olieres will be called for the travel. Seven minutes and 23 remaining here. Drive inside. No good. Takbuhan dito, the guys in green. Pero sobrang pasa kay Austria. Substitution here as you see on your screens. Player number 23 for Bacolor, that's Stephen Kunan. Pinasok na dito. Bernate, extra pass, nice find. And that's a basket there. Para dito kay Jerome Macapinla. That's a foul once again. It's on CJ Pineda. That's his second there. Pangalwa. Ang pangalwa rin yung team foul yan. Pangilinan, the pass. Moral gets the ball. Moral played well off the passing pero naagaw siya doon. And steal and a basket there para kay Ivan Bernarte. No good inside. Olieres scores. Palitan niya ng puntusan para sa Kabunan. Shot from 3, no good. Rebound by Lapira. Lapira, top of the key. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Shot from 3, no good. And that is Santa Rita basketball. Bernarte to Noville. Rebound recovered here by Bacolor. Moral, Binanga, basket was a foul. Is that a foul on Bernarte? Let's have a check. Take a look. Oh, CJ Pineda called for that foul as you take a look at that controlled shot mula dito kay Moral. Pangatlo na ni CJ Pineda. So CJ Pineda 3, Justin Escobar 3 para dito sa kupunan ng Santa Rita. So foul trouble is piling up para dito sa Santa Rita. The bonus is good for Moral. 5 minutes and 22 remaining here. Manalo. Bernarte goes here. Up. And that's a steal once again. Pangilinan with the steal. Moral. The high in the sky play. Sobra. Fast break for Santa Rita. Bernarte. Extra pass. The shot to no avail. Manese. The pass to the corner. And they go out once again to Moral. Moral kontra Manalo. Agaw na naman dito. Escobar. And the fast break. And the shot is good there. Alfredo Manalo with the score. Another steal. And another basket here. That is now from Francis Galora. And Villa de Bacolor not happy. Coach Lexan Kunan calls for a timeout as we take a look at the steal and the fast break. Binaling layup dun for the score for Francis Galura. Score na 29-26. don't forget to like and share the Facebook page of Pampanga PIO para po sa updates ng inyong Delta Cup 2024. As you take a look at Francis Galura, siya nga po yung nakapuntos kanina before we headed into the timeout. Moral. And that is a strong pass going out. Now, binalik na nga dito si Manese para dito sa Bacolor. 4 minutes and 12 remaining here. Manese gets the ball. And Pangilinan, forward pass. Masyadong malakas papunta kay Kunan. Substitution here for the guys in green. Pangilinan checks out at papasok muli itong si Astria. Pass. Fake there. The shot by Manalo, no good. Moral. Steps out. Baligay kay Austria. Inside. Balik dito kay Moral. Moral. Shot clock at 10. The 3 on the way. No good para kay Kunan. That is foul there. Number 17. Gabriel Lapira will be called for the foul there. First personal second team foul here, as that is a steal, almost a completed one. Pero nakuha muli ng mga nakaputi. Good pass inside and the basket there para kay Tristan Lopez. And Manese. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin si Macves. Manese. Right now, 31-28. Macves, Manese, 13 puntos na dito. Fast break, Moral. The extra pass inside. 1-2 pass. Kunan fouled. And let's see if that will be on Gulyar. That's Galura called for the foul. First personal foul.
14 foul for Santalina. 2 free throws, Francis Kunan.
And Kunan will be shooting 2 free throws here as ito magpapa-shoutout. Siyempre, papa-shoutout ang ating kasamahang si Rowie Sacote at siyempre papa-shoutout din siya sa napakagandang nanay daw niya at sobrang sipag si Tita Emma Sacote. Papabate ang ating kasamahang si Rowie. Parang may kasalanan nata si Rowie, no? Nagpapa-shoutout sa nanay niya. As the ball will stay here with the guys in green. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Austria. The pass, Lapira. Lapira, 1-foot shot, no. It's the board. As the pass too strong here, there. 15 seconds on the shot clock. At sana makatingin tayo ng pasalubong ni Rowie. Nanonood kasi si Rowie ngayon, so makatingin man lang kami ng pasalubong nila Direk Nomar. Pagbalik mo, as there's a timeout on the floor, 31-29, 2 minutes and 22 remaining sa ating second period.
15-second shot clock.
2 minutes and 22 remaining here in the first half of action of your first game of your Delta Cup 2024. Ako nga po ang inyong lingkod, Alvin Tañada, on the call for the quadruple header of your Thursday games. The drive inside, and there will be a call of traveling here. Parang malayo-layo yung biniyahin nun. Mula San Fernando, papunta Apalit. Kaya natawagan ng traveling violation. Moral. The top. Looking for that screen. Moral para sa Dos. Rebound recovered here by Escobar. Escobar there with another rebound. 2 minutes remaining here. The second. De Jos at the top. Right side here. Nice find. Escobar papunta kay Tristan Lopez. Good find. Leading to a basket there. And that will still go out there.
20-second shot clock.
As we take a look at that nice passing by Santa Rita. That triangle offense na bihira nating makita sa basketball. Ay napunto siya doon. Itong si Tristan Lopez. Now let's see. Tristan Lopez was fouled there by Austria. Take a look at that. May one again. Tristan Lopez. Ayun, nabangga. That reach in plus yung bangga as Austria will be called for the foul. That's his first personal foul. Rather, second personal na rin pala yan. Basket there. Wala. The drive. The pass. Austria gets the ball. Manese. Bumped, and there will be a foul on De Jos. Jalo De Jos will be called for his second. Penalty na nga yan. Let's take a look at that. Yung bangga. And yun, may konting bangga doon. Itong si De Jos. That is why Manese will shoot 2 free throw. First one is good. No good, rather. 13 points for this guy. Itong si Macbeth Manese. Nanahimik na dito. 14 points now for him. 14 points nga. After scoring 11 in the first, 3 points pa lang siya dito. The pass. Lopez to Gilas. Naagaw. Completed here by the guys in green. Restolen here. Escobar, baseline shot. Masyadong bitin. Rebound scramble. As Escobar gets the ball. 3 ball on its way. That's short. Rebounded by Moral. Moral running the break. Moral. The shot is good. Para kay Chag Moral. De Jos para sa 3. Wala. Bacolor can hold on for this last shot with 9 seconds left. Chag Moral. 4 seconds. The pass. Austria for 3. To close things out here in the second quarter. A big 3 ball para kay Charles Austria. And they take the lead here. Let's take a look at that in slow-mo. Kita-kita, 1.5 seconds pa lang wala na sa kamay ni Charles Austria ang bola. As the score right now, it's 35-33. We'll be right back for more action here in your Delta Cup 2024. Halftime right now. Dito po tayo sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center for your 2024 Delta Cup. And our first game of your quadruple header, bakbakang Bacolor kontra sa Kaluguran Santa Rita na mga po ng dalawa. Ito ko muna ng Bacolor as you take a look at the halftime highlights here, as this was a very close ball game from start to the end of that first half. And kitang-kita naman natin yung good passing of these young Pampanga ballers. And they have really played well here for both squads as kita natin fast break action ang tinatakbo ng pareha sa kapunan dito. Leading the way para dito sa Villa de Bacolor is itong si Macbeth Manese with 14 points. And 11 of that coming from the first quarter, while Austria, Manlutak, and Moral with 5 points. Para naman dito sa kabilang koponan ng Kaluguran Santa Rita, Galura, Makapinlak, Pineda, all with 5 points, and Ventura Lopez both with 4 points. As we start the second half of action, Alvin Tañada on the call for your quadruple header, and 3-ball kagad panimula nito dito to start the shooting here for Santa Rita. That's Ivan Bernarte with a 3. So take a look at that last play once again. Ivan Bernarte starting off the second half with a 3-ball. They take the lead once again, 36-35. Foul dito. Let's see. Foul is called on number 21. Jamon Buwan called for his first. So, kaninang first quarter, James Buwan, his brother, called for 2 quick fouls. Kaya nilabas siya kagad dito as Bernarte. Moral gets the basket there. Wala na. Nagawa ito si Bernarte. That's a travel violation. (37-36) ang score natin. So we are here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, as that's a basket there by Ivan Bernarte. So the full peta. The drive inside and the score as Chog Moral scores. Palitan tayo dito ng puntusan. Bernarte moves inside. Bernarte, the shot is good. Manese, huli. That's a good block mula kay Escobar. The fast break na Bernarte. And Ivan Bernarte starting to heat up here in this second half. Got a foul. JP Pangilinan will be called for that as we take a look at that drive by Chog Moral. So that first free throw is good for Ivan Bernarte. So this match up at the point between Ivan Bernarte and Chog Moral. Isa-isa sa babantayan natin dito sa laro na ito. Ivan Bernarte makes the second free throw to go. So the lead is up to 3. We go down. Manlutak fouled. That will be the second team foul for Kaluguran Santa Rita. Justin Escobar called for the foul there. That's his 4th personal foul. As Manlutak and that is a free throw violation. So, yung pang-apat na nito na Escobar. Agaw dito. Fast break, Manlutak. Inside, good drive there by Lapira as Bernate will be called for the foul. Substitution as we take a look at that foul once again here. Pinayungan ni Bernate. Lapira will shoot the free throws here. Lapira second free throw. It's good. The lead once again cut down to 1. 42-41. Bernarte, the pass here. Pineda inside. Manlutak with steal. And there's a foul. CJ Pineda. Pang-apat na rin yan ni CJ Pineda. Pang-apat ni Pineda, pang-apat ni Escobar. Pang-apat at yung foul na rin yan. Itong kupunan ng Santa Rita. Still early here. Bernarte, fast break. And score for Ivan Bernarte. .44-41 the score. And the press once again working wonders. Para sa Santa Rita, nice spin move to no avail on that shot. Moral, the pass inside, the score. Gabriel Lapira with the score. Almost there. Shot clock 9. Bernarte to Gilas. Labas. Bernarte. No good on the 3. Rebounded by Gilas. Gilas smothered by the defense, and there will be a foul for Bacolor.
Defensive illegal cylinder foul number 19, JP Pangilinan.
The foul is will be on JP Pangilinan as we take a look at that. Yun, niyakap na eh. JP Pangilinan. The pass inside. Nice shot by Gilas. Once again, a 3-point lead. So, halos palitan ng puntos tayo dito. To start the third, the press once again, the trap. Almost a steal here, Lapira gets the ball. Labas kay Pangilinan for the 3. No, that is short. Escobar running the break here. Gilas attacks and the basket. Pangilinan's turn to drive and there's a foul. Let's see, is that on Bernarte? Ivan Bernarte covered that as we take a look at this fast break attack by Gilas, Luis Gilas. Nagpapakitang Gilas dito sa inyong Delta Cup 2024. Pangilinan makes the first. Second one for Pangilinan. That is no good. 1 out of 2 in the trip. 5 minutes and 43 remaining here. Pineda, the drive by CJ, no good. Recovered by the guys in green. Pero nahuli na naman, nasundutan na naman dito. Ventura, sidestep. The pass, Bernarte, no good. Chag Moral, hard drive, no good. And Ivan Bernarte with the steal here. Bernarte, the extra pass. The shot is good for Luis Gilas. And another steal here. Bernarte, no good. Doon yung depensa ni Manlutak nun. Drive ni Manese. Manese, no good. Manese has been silent here. Ventura gets the ball. Bernarte, the drive, the shot, no good still. Gilas for Ray. That's money for Luis Gilas. And don't look now, it is now up to a 9-point lead for Caluguran Santa Rita. As this guy has been playing well here in the third. Luis Gilas showing heart for their squad. They have a 9-point lead, 53-44. As we take a look at the fans here inside the venue of the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, as Luis Gilas has played superb. We take a look at Luis Gilas. Siya nga po, 11 points already here in the ball game. Siyam niyan dito sa third quarter alone, as he has really played well for this squad. 9 points na yan. Isipin mo, 9-point lead, 9 points in the quarter. Sa kanya yan. Chog Moral scores on a dipsy-do layup, cutting down the lead to 7. The pass, Lapira with the steal. Moral, the fast break. Chog Moral, natapikan. Agaw na naman dito. Ventura, the drive, and the score. As Howard Ventura scores. 55-46, Chog Moral, extra pass. And Villa de Bacolor having troubles here. Let's take a look at that. Howard Ventura, hard drive to the basket. And he adds 3 more. And that last play, mainit na mainit ngayon. Nilabas mo si Gilas. Umiinit naman. Ito si Ventura. 5 points straight for him. Pass here. The drive by Pangilinan. Still no good. Manese. Wala pa rin para kay Manese. Remember, Villa de Bacolor at record 1-3 here. So take a look at that last shot once again. Howard Ventura. And nagpapakilala dito sa Delta Cup 2024. Looking good here are the guys in white. They have played well here the second half. That's a traveling violation. Inside. And as we ended the half at 35-33, laman nga doon po yung Bacolor. Right now, only 11 points para dito sa Bacolor. Habang 23 naman dito sa kupunan. O 25 na pala para dito sa kupunan ng Santa Rita. Dadagdagan pa ba yan ni De Dios? Yes, he does! The Diyos now. This is an all Santa Rita third quarter. CJ Pineda called for that as That will be foul number 5 on CJ Pineda. You take a look at CJ Pineda. Let's take a look at that play once again. Wide open, the Dios 3 ball. That's basic word dito kay De Dios. That will mean 2 free throws here. As De La Cruz misses the first. There is a lane violation, so another substitute free throw will be given to De La Cruz. First one is no good for that substitute. They have been playing well all throughout in this second half, the third quarter. Talking about Caluguran Santa Rita. The problem is they will be missing one guy already due to fouling out, and that is CJ Pineda. Again, you still have to wonder, can Villa de Bacolor stage a comeback? The pass, the 3 on its way. No good. Moral. Chog Moral. Austria sa corner. That is still short. Austria, the shot. He was fouled there. And Tristan Lopez. First personal foul on Tristan Lopez. CJ Austria. Rather, Charles Austria. Shooting the free throw here, first one. Still no good. Only 11 points for Villa de Bacolor here in the third quarter. Score update natin 28-11 in this quarter alone. Make that 28-12. We started the half or the third quarter 35-33 in favor of Villa de Bacolor. Biglang bumuo sa puntos nitong Kapananadol. As this guy also played well here. 5 points. No good for Ventura. Guanlao, the 3. Masyado na namang malakas. But look at that, keeping it alive almost. The guys in white. Chog Moral, the spin, the shot, and the foul. Is that on number 9? Yes, they will call a foul on Ivan Guanlao. First personal foul there. Chog Moral will shoot 2 free throws. First one is good. Second free throw for Chog Moral is also good. But that's 2-14 for Chog Moral. Babaan lamang sa 12. 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining here. Lopez. Inside. An extra pass. Masyadong papunta sa kanan. Goes out. (61-49) the score. That goes out. 47.6 seconds remaining here. The third. The drive by Moral. Pass, Austria, extra pass, Manese. As Macbeth Manese is struggling here. Tahimik pa here in the third, but there's a foul. So Austria will shoot 2 here.
Pushing foul number 14,
Tristan Lopez called for the foul. As Charles Austria shooting 2 here. First one is good. Charles Austria, second one. It's also good. That's 2 for 2. (61-51), 30 seconds remaining, roughly around 2 to 3 more possessions here. Counting this one. Guanlao. Balik dito. De Dios moves in. The pass. And that's a steal here. Austria. And that's good. 5 seconds left here. Lopez, Tristan, no good. And that will end our third quarter of action kung saan itong koponan ng Kaluguran Santa Rita has step on the gas, led by two guys. Itong si Ivan Bernarte, one of them, but Chog Moral looking to just get points on the board there para makahabol pa sila dito, and that dipsy do nifty one for him. But this is one player that we need to watch out for. That is itong si Luis Gilas. But let's see if itong sila Gabriel Lapira and the rest of the Villa de Bacolor can still stage a comeback. It's an 8-point lead for Kaluguran Santa Rita. Luis Gilas there leading the way here as he has led the scoring in that quarter. 11 points for him, 9 points in the third for Luis Gilas as he led the charge for Kaluguran Santa Rita. And syempre, titingnan pa natin if he can continue that good scoring in the third quarter here as we start the fourth quarter of action. Alvin Cañada calling the shots for your Thursday quadruple header ng inyong Delta Cup 2024 as Galura scoring there. And that is a basket there. And Francis Galura and almost a steal. The full court press is on. And completed one na naitawid as Macves Manese will try to shoot 2 free throws here. Let's take a look at that fast break once again for Francis Galura, all alone on the other end for the two. These 2 free throws here will be given to Macves Manese. First team foul for Santa Rita. Manese will be shooting. Second one is good. Balik ulit sa kanya. The shot is good there. As Jamon Buan scores his first 2 points. 65-54, 11 puntos to. Macves Manese scores! And now Macves Manese scoreless in the third after scoring 14 in the first half. Looking to get more baskets here as Luis Gilas no good. Macves Manese running from down. Pero wala. Rebounded here, Ivan Bernarte. Ivan, the scoop, the score. 67-56. Look at the pressure here by Ivan Bernarte, and there will be a foul there on number 13. As we see that layup there by Ivan Bernarte. Foul to call on Ivan Bernarte. Pangalawa niya yan. Pangatlo rather ni Ivan Bernarte. Second team foul for Santa Rita. Manese to Pangilinan. The pass. Manese But before the shot, that's a 3-second violation called on Angelo Olieres. That will not help the case nitong Villa de Bacolor as we take a look at Coach Rex Sancunan. Galura for 3, down good, rebounded, and a stick back there para kay Jamon Buwan. Almost a steal here, a completed one on that pressure. 4-on-2 fast break, Buwan to Galura. Francis Galura scores. And the run and gun of Caloguran Santa Rita on point here in the second half as they have now taken a 15-point lead, 71-56. Once again, we would like to invite our Sinag fans para po sa continuation nga po ng inyong Sinag Lakas 40 Semifinals Game number 2 na mangyayari po dyan sa Malolo Sports and Convention Center on January 28, Sunday. Bakbakang Taytay J Project kontra Tito Rex's Firewar and Santa Rosa kontra sa home squad na Malolos Republic. It will be an exciting day of basketball dyan sa Malolos. Kaya nga po, sana makapunta po kayo. If not, you can stay tuned to our YouTube channel, Sinag Lakas TV, and also to our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia. And ito, 1-0 na ngayon Santa Rosa doon. And also Tito Rex's Firewire. So, syempre, susubukin Taytay J Project and Malolos Republic to tie the series up as Jamon Buwan now coming up alive here in the third. 73-56 here. 17 na ang kalamangan as the press really hounding Villa de Bacolor. Pangilinan. The drive. Chog Moral. 10 seconds. Chog Moral. Masyadong malakas. The stick back is good for Chog Moral. (73-58). Galura, the drive. There is last touch. Seven seconds on the shot clock here. Bernarte, the catalyst of this attack because of his playmaking, but that is not a good playmaking on that end as that's a foul. 8 matatawagan na foul. Ivan Bernarte, pang-apat na yan. And that's a 13th foul for Caloguran Santa Rita. So take a look at that. Daredevil drive by Moral, never giving up. Second stick back para dito kay Chog Moral. Lumas muna si Bernarte, De Dios pinasok, and he better be careful. 4 fouls na to si Ivan Bernarte. 78-58, 15 pa rin itong lamang ng Santa Rita, so they can afford to rest Chog or Ivan Bernarte. The pass here, balik dito. Setting things up is Galura. Gilas, who scored 9 points in that third quarter alone. As Chog Moral all the way for the score. And Coach Aaron Laksamana smells trouble here. Ang lamang nila, baba na lamang sa 13. Mahaba-haba pa ito as we take a look at that. Clean swipe by Chog Moral and seeing that the defense is one step behind him, he gets the basket. It's a 13-point lead, 73-60. Right now, you can see the bench of the Caloocan Santa Rita. They are just 5 minutes and 50 away from winning the ball game and tying their record to 3-3. But for sure, itong Villa de Bacolor gustong makabuslo ng panalo dahil sa record nilang 1-3. Gusto nilang makaangat sa team standings to 2-3. So let's see which team will get the victory after this ball game. Mahaba pa naman to, 5 minutes and 50 or 5 minutes and 42 remaining rather. Gilas, the top. Binigay dito kay Buwan. Buwan, 6 points here in this quarter alone. Second, 3 seconds on the shot clock. Galura, the 3, no good. And Chug Moral with the rebound. Chug Moral. Moral, the pass. Too strong there. That is last touch on Santa Rita. And Coach Aaron Laksamana will use a coach's challenge here. So, tingnan natin muna kung ang magiging takbo dito. Let's take a look at the coach's challenge. As that will be reviewed on our big screen. At yun na kagad. Yeah, that was a clear last touch on Clarence Manlutak. At yun na, mabilis kagad yun. Napakabilis ang coach's challenge na yun. Sabi nga dito ng ating si Direk Billy, that was a good call. Yes, that was a good call for Coach Aaron Laksamana to see na hindi nga naman sa kanila. Let's get back here as Galura for the 3. No good. Moral with the recovery. Moral running it. Moral, well defended by De Jos. Chog Moral forcing it up. No good. And there's a foul. And is it on Chog Moral? And for Chog Moral, that's a second personal. Four minutes and 42 remaining. And ito, Ventura. Binigay dito kay Buwan. Buwan moves in. Oh, nice move there. Pero nahuli ng depensa pag-angat. Agawan dito. Nakuha ni Chog Moral. Pangilinan. The pass. The corner shot. Manlutak. That shot. No good. Pero may foul. Luis Gilas called for his first personal. Ang-apat na yan para dito sa Caloocan Santa Rita. Shot clock at 14 here as Galura babalik dito. Papalitan muna si Jaymon Buwan. Macbeth Manese, the jumper, no good. Macbeth Manese na nahimik ulit dito. De Jos. De Jos. There's a foul there. Noon Manlutak.
Foul number 61, Clarence Manlutak.
Pangalawa na yan ni Clarence Manlutak.
Second team foul for Baco.
Second team foul for Villa de Color. Lakers doesn't lead still. The Jos, the drive, naagaw na naman. Chog Moral, umaatake. Chog Moral was fouled. Oh, an offensive foul is called on JB Pangilinan. Pang-apat na yan. And 13 foul here is Ivan Bernarte now checking back in. You can see the time, 3:33. 3 minutes and 33 remaining dito. Tres yan, and it's good for Francis Galura. Kanina pa niya yung gustong tumira eh. Kaya makabuslod si Francis Galura. There's a foul once again. Howard Ventura called for the foul. Or Francis Galura rather called for the foul. And that's his second personal foul. So Manlutak will shoot two. Francis Galura and itong si Luis Gilas eh. Same score na rin, both players with 11 points, correct? And Francis Galura now with 14 points. Dalawang tres na siya dito sa quarter na ito. And that is out of bounds here.
16-second shot clock.
So lamang na naman ng 18 dito. Ang oras luminipis na para sa kupunan ng Bacolor if they want to stage a comeback.
11-second shot clock.
11 seconds shot clock. 15 points na rin pala dito. Itong si Galura. Chog Moral, the 3, wala. And recovered there. Last touch still on Santa Rita. Shot clock at 14. 2 minutes and 44 remaining sa ating fourth. Manese, that's a trap. So ang oras numinipis na para dito sa koponan ng Bacolor. Luis Gilas, no good. And Ventura gets the ball, giving Gilas. And that will be
7 seconds.
last touch of Pangilinan. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Palitan pa rin ng tao. Jerome Makapinlak checks in, replacing Luis Gilas. Bernate gives it up. Galura has played well here in this quarter with 2 3-pointers. Chog Moral, Manese. There's a foul.
Pushing foul number 1, Justin Escobar.
Justin Escobar.
Justin Escobar.
And for Justin Escobar, that's 5 personal fouls now. So, pangalawang casualty na yan for Santa Rita. Yun na lang yung isang yung masasabi natin yung nagkulang for Santa Rita trouble as Macbeth Manese makes the first. Second one is also good, 2 for 2 on that trip. 79-63 ang ating score. As we enter the twilight zone of this matchup, the last 2 minutes. Your first game of your Thursday quadruple header ng inyong Delta Cup 2024 as that is a basket para dito kay Pangilinan, cutting down the lead to 14. Galura. The pass here. Bernarte, well defended. And there's a foul. Ooh! And that will be foul number 5 on Ivan Bernarte. Take a look at this pass break. Open for Pangilinan. So, pangatlong casualty na. Itong Santa Rita. Bernarte, nauna na si CJ Pineda, third quarter pa lang. Then Justin Escobar. Tapos ngayon, Ivan Bernarte. Manese, extra pass, the shot, no good. Stick back, wala pa rin. Manese, third service, a good for Macbeth Manese. Macbeth Manese, walang nakatulong dito. Si top scored for this squad, and that is a turnover. The ball going directly to Direk Billy. One minute halos ang natitira dito sa ating ball game. And the way things are going, it looks like 12 puntos to, around roughly 3 seconds, and Kaluguran Santa Rita will be moving up to 3-3 in the team standings, while for Bacolor they will fall down to 1 in the Manlutak. First free throw is no good. Doon sa bracket A nila, umaangat na itong kupunan ng Santa Rita. Lane violation there. They will be placed 6th at bracket A, talking about itong Santa Rita. Kahit paano nakalayo naman sila dito sa mga kadikit nilang Bayung Porac and I Love San Simon, because both teams are at 2 and 3. Rather, I Love San Simon lang pala ang maalala mga nila dito. So at 6th place, at least they will be going to walk 3 and 3. Habang ito naman koponan ng Villa de Bacolor bababa sa 1 and 4. Just above 1 magalang basketball in the municipality of Arayat. They're just melting the clock here for Santa Rita. 2 seconds, and that will be a shot clock violation. As Coach Aaron Laksamanas just waved it off. Huwag nyo nang itira. As we end this ball game up, and our final score, it is going to be 79-67, a 12-point victory for Kaluguran Santa Rita. Then they move up to 3 and 3, while for Villa de Bacolor they will fall down to 1 and 4. And Kaluguran Santa Rita, there we go. We have announced our winners here ng bakbang ito. Once again, our final score is 79-67. That is our final score of our first game of our Thursday quadruple header dito sa labanan na ito. And our player of the game, sino pa ba? Walang iba kundi ang player na bumuhos dito sa fourth quarter to keep it very close and to keep it out on the way para dito sa koponan ng Santa Rita. This guy has been playing special basketball all game long. Francis Galura, our player of the game. Francis, first of all, congratulations. Nung first half, dikit yung laro ninyo, itong Bacolor. but you kept it on a good run. Most especially nung third quarter. Ano ba yung pinag-usapan ninyo nung halftime? Kung bakit ninyo nalayuan itong game na to against Bacolod?
Teamwork po para mapanalo po namin yung team namin and sipag at saka po, yun lang po.
Yes, you top scored in this matchup with 15 points at sigurado na aabangan pa ikaw sa mga susunod na laro. Go ahead and greet yung mga fans natin dyan sa Santa Rita na alam natin sumusuporta sa inyo in this tournament.
Maraming salamat po sa mga sumusuporta sa amin at walang sawa na sumuporta sa amin, lalo-lalo na si Boss Reynando po and mga coaching staff po na tumutulong po sa amin para mapanalo po namin ang bawat laro namin. Yun lang po.
Alright, once again, congratulations, our player of the game finishing with 15 points. And that is only our first game of our basketball dito po sa inyong Top 2024. Up next, bakbakang Bayung Masantol kontra Sasmuan in your continuing games of your Delta Cup 2024.